Introduction to Web Frameworks in Python. Welcome to our exploration of Python web frameworks. Today, we will be comparing four popular frameworks: Flask, Django, FastAPI, and Pyramid. Each of these frameworks has its own unique features and use cases. By the end of this lesson, you will have a better understanding of when and why you might choose one framework over another for your web development projects. Flask. Flask is a micro web framework that is lightweight and easy to get started with. It is designed to be simple and flexible, allowing developers to choose their own tools and libraries. Features of Flask. Minimalistic. Flask provides the basics to build a web app but stays out of your way. Extensibility. You can add extensions for database integration, form validation, upload handling, etc. Routing. Flask uses Python functions to handle requests. Debugging. It has a built-in development server and a fast debugger. Code example. Here's a simple Flask application. Comparison. Flask versus Django. Flask is more lightweight and flexible, while Django is a full-fledged framework with a larger set of built-in features. Flask versus FastAPI. FastAPI is designed for building APIs and is faster than Flask due to its use of Starlet and Pydantic. Flask versus Pyramid. Pyramid is similar to Flask in its flexibility, but offers more out-of-the-box features and is designed to scale more easily. Django. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. It takes a batteries-included approach, meaning it comes with a wide array of built-in features. Features of Django. Batteries included. Django includes ORM, admin interface, authentication, and more. ORM. Django's object relational mapping, ORM, allows for easy database interactions. Admin interface. A built-in admin panel to manage content on the site. Security. Django provides multiple security features to protect against common threats. Code example. A basic Django view looks like this. Comparison. Django versus Flask. Django is more opinionated and comes with more built-in features, which can be overkill for small projects. Django versus FastAPI. Django is more established with a larger community, but FastAPI is gaining popularity for API development due to its performance. Django versus Pyramid. Django is more monolithic, while Pyramid is more modular, allowing developers to use only the components they need. FastAPI. FastAPI is a modern, fast web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 Plus based on standard Python typehints. Features of FastAPI. Performance. FastAPI is built on Starlet and Pydantic, which makes it very fast. Type hints. It uses Python type hints to validate and serialize data. Asynchronous. FastAPI supports asynchronous request handling out of the box. Automatic API documentation. It generates interactive API documentation with Swagger UI and Redoc. Code example. Here's a simple FastAPI example. Comparison. FastAPI versus Flask. FastAPI is designed specifically for building APIs and is faster than Flask, especially for async tasks. FastAPI versus Django. FastAPI is more lightweight and performs better for certain use cases, but Django offers a more comprehensive set of features. FastAPI versus Pyramid. FastAPI is newer and has a focus on API development with automatic documentation, while Pyramid is more traditional and flexible. Pyramid. Pyramid is a lightweight Python web framework aimed at taking small web apps into big web apps. It is known for being flexible and allowing developers to use the right tools for their project. Features of Pyramid. Flexibility. Pyramid can be used for both small and large applications. Modular. You can add features as needed without bloating the framework. URL dispatch. Pyramid uses a straightforward URL dispatch system for routing. Testing. It has built-in support for testing and includes a prequest module for simulating requests. Code example. A basic Pyramid application might look like this. Comparison. Pyramid versus Flask. Both are flexible, but Pyramid offers more features out of the box and is designed to scale. Pyramid versus Django. Pyramid is more minimalistic and allows for more customization, whereas Django provides a more complete set of features. Pyramid versus FastAPI. FastAPI is optimized for building APIs and has better performance for asynchronous operations, while Pyramid is a more general-purpose framework. In conclusion, the choice between Flask, Django, FastAPI, and Pyramid depends on the specific needs of your project. Consider factors such as project size, performance requirements, and your familiarity with the framework when making your decision. Each framework has its strengths and trade-offs, so choose the one that aligns best with your goals. Stay curious, and I'll meet you in the next module.